Okay, what are you pushing, Sophie? What are you pushing? Are you pushing your little sister in a boat?
Your mom is going to flip when she sees this.
I know. There she comes.
She's like, I'm trying to sleep here. Let me relax. This is what big sisters are for.
What do you want?
That boat's a little too small for you, honey.
She's having a blast in there, though. And there she goes.
Whoa, whoa. Slow down, baby. Slow down, Sophie-Lina.
Hey, John, here.
What about you?
Huh?
You want one?
I'll get one.
No,
This
take
week. ¿La mandó tu mujer para ti?
Yes, you can. Leticia? Well, the food there's for every one
Careful,
of us.
Sophie.
This is just
And
hilarious.
if you want something, just grab it.
¿Qué cumpleaños?
Okay, I'll send over so to find you something. That way I make sure my baby doesn't get knocked out.